This video series shows how to commission the CPX-AP-I-EC EtherCAT Remote I/O with OMRON PLC. Learn how to do the setup in this video. An application note is available on this topic with complete and detailed instructions. Downloading the ESI and Library file. Go to Festo website. Search for CPX-AP-I-EC. Select EtherCAT interface. Click on Downloads tab. Select Software tab. Browse and download the latest version of ESI file. Note: ESI file should be installed to Omron Sysmac Studio software for further commissioning. Select Expert Knowledge tab. Browse and download the library file of EtherCAT with Omron PLC. This file is provided in particular application note. Configuring the IP address of the workstation. Open Windows Control Panel. Select Network and Sharing Center. Select your preferred Ethernet network. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version, TCP/IPv4. Enter the IP address and subnet mask manually. Configuring the IP address of the head module. Open Festo Automation Suite. Click on Device Scan to identify the connected Festo devices in the network. Select the AP-I-EC device in the list. Click on Network Settings to set the IP address and subnet mask. Click on Activate New Settings. Click on Refresh button to confirm the changes. Click on Open Device web page that leads to Web Server Configurator. Configuring the port of I/O link master. Select Head Module. Select Load Supply Monitoring Active. Enter the username as admin. Enter the password. The password is the product key, which can be found on the right side of the head module. Select I/O link master. Select Load Supply Monitoring Active. Select IOL Auto Start for port 0. Select Type Compatible Device v1.1, Backup plus Restore for port 0. Select CPX-AP-I-4IOL-M12 Variant 2 for electric cylinder unit process data. Go to Configuration. Select Stored Parameter. Select Store Current Parameter Values. Click on Submit. Note: connect Omron PLC EtherCAT port to EtherCAT head module, port INX1, via Ethernet cable and power restart the module. Now the setup is completed. Watch the next video to learn how to do the commissioning.